Hello, I'm Richardo. This time I want to show you how to upgrade a RAM and SSD for the HP 15s-fq1075tu laptop computer. Okay, it is the included unboxing performance, right? Okay, this is the HP the original box, right? Laptop box. Okay, this is the unboxed the view. Okay, this is the laptop. Okay, and this is the setup instruction. Right, this is the easy setup instruction. And then this one is the adapter, and then included the power cable. Okay, also this the question is the Windows 7 operating system is not supported. Okay. This laptop is fit to the Windows 10. Okay, this is the for the consumer dispute resolution documentation, right? Okay, this is the accessories, right? Before I already explained that, right? Okay, this is the specification for the this laptop computer. Okay, the CPU is the Intel i3 1005G1. Okay, basic the frequency is that 1.2 GHz, but you can have the maximized frequency the 3.4 GHz. Okay, the basic the memory is the 4 GB, but it can be extended to 16 GB by 2, right? The storage is 256 GB. Okay, the PCI, NVMe, and .2 SSD. Okay, let's move in detail next. Okay, this is the back side of the this laptop computer. Okay, this is the display opened with the protection sheet. And I'll remove the protection sheet. Okay, this is the keyboard or the 100 keys with the mouse pad. Alright. Okay, this is the right side input port. Okay, SD card and the headphone and mic combo jack. Okay, this one. So this is the USB 3.1 Type C. Then the HDMI port. Okay, this is the left side, the I/O port. Okay, this is the power jack. Again, there are two the USB 3.1 Type A USB jack. Okay. Right. To disassemble the bottom case, in totally 8 screws need to be removed. All right. There are 2 screws in there, but under the non-slip rubber. Okay. There are 2 non-slip rubbers, and then totally 6 screws in there. Okay, first remove the non-slip rubber. Okay, after removing that non-slip rubber, you can see the 3 screw. Okay, also in the below, also after removing the non-slip rubber, you can see the 3 screw. Okay, remove the case by the putting a thin plastic tool into the small hole. Okay, like that. You can separate the upper and the lower cases. Okay. Right. After remove the lower case. Okay, this is the inner side of the lower case. Okay, this is the outside. Right. You can see it after the remove the screw hole. You can see it. Okay, this is below side. Okay, disassemble the view after removing the low case. Okay, there are a couple of the components in there. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Right, this battery rated capacity the 40 milliampere hour. Okay, there are 3 cells. Okay, you can in terms of the video playback, max 8 hours 30 minutes. You can see, right? Okay, next the storage. This is the SSD, right? 256 gigabyte PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD. You can on screen this one. Okay, you can upgrade and downgrade this SSD. Alright, this one is the subboard for the SD card reader and the headphone mic combo. Okay, this one. Okay, this is the RAM socket. There are 2 RAM sockets. Basically, the DDR4. The 4 are the basic is the 4 gigabyte, but you can edit the 2 16 gigabyte the memory. Alright. Okay, this is the touchpad interface. Alright. Okay, this is the Wi-Fi module for the Realtek or Wi-Fi, and then included the Bluetooth 5 combo. Okay. Okay, this is the cooling assembly for the CPU. Okay. Okay, there are CPU inside there. Okay. This is the output at the right side. Okay, at the PCB side. Right, this is the right, left side. The output. Okay, this is the touchpad assembly. Okay. Okay, this is the battery 3 cell. The 41 watt-hour lithium-ion battery. Okay, this is the HP, the hardware diagnostics, the UEFI. If you have some problem, then you can test by each component, right? Processor, memory, storage, okay, hard disk, power, etc. Okay, this is very useful. The diagnostic tool. Okay, let's move to the BIOS setup for the US booting. Okay, okay, there are, okay, let's move to the boot option. Okay. Okay, yeah. You need to go to the UEFI bootloader. Okay, need to be the USB top priority. Okay, like this. You need to the USB placed as the first bootloader. Okay, like this. Right. Okay, save all. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching this movie.